Alright everybody, my name is David Hutchins. I'm doing a video about three, I'm not sure what size they are, but they are Graw, Edison, and box fans. And this one here is under the Bowman name. They're all 3 speeds. Yeah, it's hard to read because I got this. This one here, a friend of mine gave to me a few years back. To me, it's like, you know, the first generation compared to these two, because it's pretty similar, same blade set as those, but it's way heavier. This fucking fan's built like a tank, pretty much. It's like steel, and the posts are fucking steel rods. It's got the bigger motor. I mean, this thing is built really good, and the crazy thing is my neighbors next door to me that live in a trailer that have this only in the Bowman colors, and I know it says Bowman. The feet on it are really good, strong and sturdy, but it's in really rough shape. But anywho, fired up on high. Pretty quiet sound. Medium. And low. Coast down time on off. So dude, make a video. I forgot, I'm gonna left them outside too, dude. Alright, here's the other one that you know is newer. A lot lighter. Back view. This fan's in really, really good shape. I got it at a rummage sale. It's got a little paint wear there, but nice and shiny. To me, this one runs noisier than that one, but whatever. Here's high. Medium. And low. Coast down time. And this is what the frame looks like that holds the motor up on this one. And then this one here I got off the curb. It was seized up, and I managed to give it some zoom spout and cleaned up nice. High. Medium. And low. Then downtime. The only thing that's different about this one is the cord comes off the side, unlike that one. Is that about the motorcycle, dude? Alright everyone, thank you for viewing my video.